Hi everyone, in this video I am going to teach you how to buy coins or tokens listed on Gate.io exchange pre-market. So guys, if you want to buy tokens or coins listed on Gate.io pre-market, the first thing you will do is this guys, you will register on the platform. So guys, you can use my link in the description to register. After your registration, you will buy USDT stablecoin. USDT stablecoin is equivalent to a US dollar. So guys, if you want to buy coins or tokens listed on the Gate.io platform, you will search for pre-market. You click on it. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to use Bloom as an example. You click on Bloom, you click on trade, you will type the amount of USDT you want to use to buy a Bloom. So guys, if you are using 10 USDT or $10 to buy some fraction of Bloom tokens, you will get 1,232 Bloom tokens. So you get 1,232 Bloom tokens if you are using 10 US dollars. So guys, I have some Bloom tokens. And I am going to buy more before they launch this project officially. It will save me the stress of farming Bloom, although I am farming Bloom, so I want more for myself. yeah So guys, if you're interested in buying goats is gonna list in December, so you can buy goats on Gate.io pre-market. You click on trade. yeah you type the amount of USDT you want to use to buy goats tokens. So guys, let's use $10 as an example. $10 will give you 66,225 goat tokens. I have some goat tokens already. So guys, I am going to buy more before they launch this project officially. yeah so this is how you can buy tokens that are listed on Gate.io pre-market. So guys, if you farm Toma or Tool Market airdrop, this project is listed on Gate.io pre-market. So you can buy on the Gate.io platform. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe, share and comment and like this video. Thanks for watching.